Do you like watching videos and sharing them online? Well, I've got you an awesome trick. Not only will you get to enjoy fun clips to pass the time, but you'll also get paid for sharing them. I'll let you into a platform that not everybody knows about, and all you have to do is to follow the steps that I am going to be showing you today. This is free and available wherever you are in the world. Amazing, right? So just sit back and make sure you get to the end of this video. You won't want to miss out on our bonus tip to earn more from this website. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Looking for a brand new side hustle can be hard sometimes, but with us, you don't have to worry because we got you. I won't keep you waiting, so let's go straight to our featured website for today. Head on over to 7r6.com using your browser. Using this method that I'll teach you from this website, you can earn hundreds of dollars per day by watching a few videos on YouTube. They have a low minimum payout set at $5. Fortunately, you can do this over and over again to keep making money. All you need is access to a computer or a smartphone. The best thing is that this approach can be used repeatedly for different videos in this category on YouTube to generate actual cash. You can check that it works by clicking the payment proof option on their homepage and seeing that people are making $8 per day just by watching videos. On this site, you may shorten your links and earn money via PayPal at no cost to you. Since this strategy is so under the radar at the moment, if you watch it all the way through, you can make a lot of free PayPal money. So if you want to make more money online, keep watching. Okay, let's start by setting up a free account. Click on Sign Up right here. You will then fill in a few of the necessary details. After filling out and checking this box here that you agree to the term of use and privacy policy, tap the Register button. You've now successfully created your account and may now access your dashboard. This is the dashboard where you'll see when you first log in after creating an account. The next thing we'll do is to find a YouTube video first. So let's go ahead and search for our video on youtube.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can set it up either by using your Google account for an easier process or by using a normal YouTube account. Now that you have your own YouTube account, you can see here that you can choose which category of videos you can watch. Let's choose gaming since these types of videos gain a lot of attention. Have you tried this kind of method before? Let us know your thoughts about today's video in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. We appreciate your support. I won't keep you waiting. Back to our video. YouTube has hundreds of millions of viewers, all of whom are unaware that they might be making a lot of extra cash by simply watching gaming videos. Since Minecraft is currently one of the most popular games, I want you to pay close attention to this kind of video. If you go to this page and type Minecraft into the search bar, you'll be sent to a streaming video of actual Minecraft gameplay. The second step is as easy as selecting a live video and clicking on it. This video link will take you directly to the page where the live stream is taking place. Clearly, there is a large audience interested in these videos, and there are several ways to make money through PayPal simply by watching them. If you stick around until the end of this video, I'll share a secret strategy that will multiply your earnings. Additionally, in just a few moments, I'll show you how to generate a significant amount of cost-free money with the help of videos like these that are hosted on YouTube. The YouTube share option can be found below the video itself. Once you click on that, copy the link to the video. The next thing we'll do is go back to our dashboard at 7r6.com. Click New Short Link, paste the YouTube video link, and then give it a name. Finally, click the Shorten button. Next is to go back to YouTube and do this again for a minimum of 3 videos. If you copy and paste the URLs of other YouTube videos, you can get even more free money sent to your PayPal account. You can make a lot of money online by repeating the same process. Just select popular videos on YouTube, copy the URL, and shorten it using 7r6.com. Next, we will post our shortened links so that people may start clicking on them and bring in revenue. For our first website, we have moot.us. To put it simply, it's a forum where individuals can talk about the video game Minecraft. Players can also upload and share videos and images related to games. Let's take a quick pause for you to share your experience with this money-making strategy so far. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more of our easy-to-understand videos to maximize your earning potential. Now, let's jump back in. Hundreds of thousands of people are watching these Minecraft gameplays videos. You might get thousands of clicks and a lot of money if you share the URL to one of these live videos. If you get this free, ready-made template, you'll have a big financial advantage over your rivals. I also recommend this other site. Check out streamcommunity.com. This is a game forum where players may talk strategy with one another. There are several ongoing discussions surrounding the Minecraft video game. With the help of 7r6.com, here is your greatest chance to cash in on this trend and earn a ton of free PayPal cash from all of these YouTube videos. There is a lot of buzz surrounding this game, as evidenced by the comments section. It's really popular right now, with millions of daily views. To start pasting your links here, you can create a free account on the Stream community. Then, make a thread about Minecraft or another popular game and include your shortened URL from 7r6.com into the thread. As a result, many people will see your link, click it, and watch the associated YouTube video, resulting in a large amount of free PayPal money for each click. With enough views, a single video might make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Please feel free to use this format when contributing to the moot.us or stream communities. From there, you will see a surge in traffic to your shortened link and increase in earnings. This is one of the many uses for which you may expect a high number of clicks because of the way the template was created. Do you know about this incredible Minecraft video? Here is where you will paste your 7r6.com short link so that others may join you in watching it live. Copy this link from your 7r6 dashboard and then come back here and paste it into our template. All that's left to do is replace this fully functional template and post it to these two platforms. After you have earned some money, you can withdraw it through services like PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and Payeer. You don't have to exert much effort because videos in this particular gaming category are riding a wave of popularity at the moment, picking up a lot of trends along the way. That is the exact method by which a large number of people can earn a significant amount of free money through PayPal for every video that they watch. That's a wrap! Who knew you could earn money by watching and sharing YouTube videos online? And the best part is that you can start for free. In case you get all confused, all you have to do is go right back to this video and follow the steps carefully. Which type of video are you going to try next? Share your answer in the comments section below. We love reading your responses. Thank you so much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channels to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.